Hi guys, welcome to my beginner Chinese grammar course. This is Shanmei. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to use 量词, which means measure word or classifier. Let's take a look of the basic structure. Number, noun. You use 量词 to link them. You can say 量词 is the link word for number and noun. It is used to indicate the quantity of a noun. We're going to learn 6 common measure words. Good is the most commonly used measure word. Wei, respected way used for people. 量 is used for vehicles. 知, measure word for visible creatures. 本, measure word for books. 把, measure word for things with a handle or means a handful. If you don't understand what I just said, don't worry, I'll show you with the examples. First, let's take a look of 个. Please pay attention that when 个 is used as measure word, it is pronounced as neutral tone. You can read after me. 一个字，一个字。两个大人，两个大人。三个朋友，三个朋友。四个小孩，四个小孩。五个星期，五个星期。六个月，六个月。七个问题，七个问题。Remember, 个 is the most commonly used measure word. If you can't think of any proper measure word to use, try 个. In most cases, it works. I would suggest beginner and elementary level students to try this method. Now, let's take a look of 位. You can read after me. 一位老师，一位老师。两位朋友，两位朋友。四位老人，四位老人。五位同学，五位同学。Remember, 位 respected way used for people. But here is one exception. When you want to say a person, you don't use 位 as the measure word. But for like teacher, friend, senior, students, classmate, worker, employee, all those people nouns, you can use 位 as the measure word. Now let's take a look of 量. You can read after me. 一辆车，一辆车。Here, with the 车, we don't really know until we see the content. We can judge from the content either the 车 means car, bus, or truck. Alright, let's take the rest of the examples. 两辆自行车，两辆自行车。三辆汽车，三辆汽车。四辆公共汽车，四辆公共汽车。Remember, 辆 is the measure word for vehicles. Not for planes or boats, it's for vehicles, usually not for metros or trains. Okay, then let's see the next one, 知。You can read after me. 一只蚊子，一只蚊子。两只大象，两只大象。三只狗，三只狗。四只猫，四只猫。知 is the measure word for visible creatures. If it's not visible, like bacteria, you can use 只. But other creatures like a small mosquito or big elephant, you can use 只 as the measure word. Now let's take a look at the next one. 本. You can read after me. 一本书，一本书，两本练习册，两本练习册，三本词典，三本词典，四本杂志，四本杂志。Remember, 本 is the measure word for books. If it's just one sheet of paper, you can use 本, right? Let's take a look at the next one. 把. You can read after me. 一把米，一把米，两把钥匙，两把钥匙，三把雨伞，三把雨伞，四把吉他，四把吉他，五把椅子，五把椅子。As you can see, 把 is the measure word for things with a handle like key or umbrella or guitar. Here with chairs, I know some chairs don't really have a handle or things that you can lean on. For those chairs, you don't use 把 as the measure word. But for chairs like in the picture, if you have a back to lean on, then you can use 把. 把 can also mean handful, like you grab a handful of rice or flour, you can use 把 as the measure word. Here are some exceptions. The number can be omitted if it's 1. The difference is without 1, it is more spoken. I'll show you some examples. Here, you can read after me. Let's start from the first line. 问一个问题，问一个问题。The second line. 问个问题，问个问题。The only difference is that when you say 问个问题, it's more spoken than saying 问一个问题. Another example. You can read after me. 买一辆车，买一辆车。The second line, without 1, you can read after me. 买辆车，买辆车。The difference is 买辆车 is more spoken than 买一辆车。Here's another exception. With the structure, you can also use pronoun, classifier, and noun. But here, the pronoun I only mean 4 pronouns. I'll show you. You can read after me. 这个人，这个人，那个人，那个人。Here's the single form. With the plural form, when you want to say these people and those people, you can read after me. 这些人，那些人。So the structure is different from the structure we mentioned, which is number, classifier, noun. Here it is the pronoun, classifier, and noun. This is so much for this episode. Thank you for watching. By the way, I offer one-on-one online Chinese lessons. If you are interested to take lessons from me, you're welcome to message me. Take care. I'll see you in next episode. Bye.